Knowing where your food comes from and understanding the importance of life, it all kind of works together. You know, you got to be a full-time mechanic too on a farm, especially a small farm. Russell works side by side with me on the farm. That's my oldest son. I get to work with my kids and our family every day. Feeding the cows, milking the cows, changing sprinklers to mowing the hay. It never ends. There's nothing better and more satisfying than getting in at night and just being totally tired and feel like you really accomplished something. And then go and have a wonderful night's sleep, and then you're going the next day again. All of our kids are involved. In a while, you'll see, they'll all be here cutting and packaging cheese today. My wife says, "Are we ever going to have a life again?" And I say, "Yeah, we will." But you got to remember, we're doing this for the next generation. It's a heritage thing. This is about, the next generation. That's one reason I love the farm for our grandkids, is because they get firsthand experience that. And there's absolutely no question in their mind where their food comes from. It's just miraculous, not just life, but even life in all the animals, how God has just made life so beautiful. Look at the difference in the size of those two. Every one of them has a different personality. If they are so significant, what does that mean about me? I'm not insignificant. God knows me, and my Savior Jesus Christ knows me. I am significant to Him. I'm a husband, I'm a father, I'm a grandfather, probably one of the funner things. I'm a farmer, I'm a mechanic, also a dairyman, and a cheesemaker. My name's Grant Kohler, and I'm a Mormon.